In this guide, we're going over how you can recover a lost account here in Raid Shadow Legends. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, obviously just try logging back in using a linked account. This could be the Plarium ID, this could be your Facebook, Apple, Game Center, or Google Play. If it was linked, just try signing in with the same method to restore your progress. If you use the Plarium ID as well, you could just go to the login screen, select it, and then select forgot password, enter in your email, reset your password, and log back in. However, if your account was not linked, you are going to have to contact support. You can either do this by opening up a web browser and searching up Plarium support, or you can open up the help section from the login screen, or go once again to the Plarium website and submit a ticket. Provide as much information while you're doing this as possible though. Provide your player name or ID if you have it, provide your account level or clan, the last time you played, any purchase receipts, digital, device details, stuff like that. The more info that you do give, the faster that they can recover your account, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.